Good morning! So it's Saturday morning and I'm feeling myself today. I was practicing my makeup. However, I think I need practicing with the eyebrows because I tried putting them on and then they were like, hell no girl. So I wiped them off. So yeah, practice will become perfect eventually. But for now, I'll just rock my bushy ass eyebrows. Okay, Munchkin. I don't know what's wrong with her. It's like she's not feeling well. She hasn't been eating and she's been fussing. But so I think it's the
how was the night? Did she sleep well?
Yeah, she slept through the night. Thank you. So she slept through the night, but I don't know. I guess her teeth, her gum is giving her a problem. So yeah, we're at breakfast at Juicy J's, the second favorite place of breakfast. So let me show you the place. So I think they've been doing some renovation of some sort. This is how it looks.
Pour that in.
Oh yes, now this looks good. So here we have scrambled eggs, sausages, bacon, beans, and potatoes with toast. So this is the American breakfast. You did good, Juicy J. Check out these two Rammies. Fight, 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 fight. Good fight. Let's see who will win. Who will take the victory? How entertaining. Let me see. I say the black one. Ouch. That must hurt, man. That must hurt. Okay, so that's the fight. Come on, guys. No more entertainment.
Fox says you should not watch UFC in the show.
The UFC champions. What? What? Ah. There's a bee. I see a bee. Hey, move, 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 move. Oh, shit. Let me move, because them little stupid ass bees want to sting me and swell me up. Bad goat Billy. So you're walking now down to the beach. Yeah, the goats are still at it. So yeah, this is where they have all the water sports in Negril. So this is premium parasailing. No sun is out today. This is the beach. How relaxing is this?
Hi.
Hello. The beach patrol. So yeah, this is Juicy J's. Yeah. She's not paying me or the camera no mind at all. She's just enjoying the ocean. She's gonna love nature like mommy, right? She's just looking at the water, not paying me any mind at all. No mind at all. So yeah. You alright, mommy? You alright? Thank you, monster? Yeah. She's probably upset. I had to force her to eat breakfast. And then, since then, she hasn't been talking to me. Because she doesn't like to be forced to do anything. So she has character. Anyways. So, yep.